Ready, ready, ready. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Built. So my airplane is ready, Cessna 172. So today we are going to test fly it, and we cannot just fly it anywhere around here because this is a populated area. So I'm going to a recreational airfield which is in Cyberjaya, and so we are going to test fly it there. So join me, let's go. There's a slight little bit of wind here, and because of that only it is already moving and the wings are already giving some resistance, so it's a bit exciting. I feel like it will fly. It's quite small, but the real size is very big, so hopefully it can fit in the trunk of my car. If cannot, then I'll have to put it in the back seat. Let's see. Okay, right there it is on the roof of the car. Look at this. It is almost, the wingspan is almost as much as the width of this car. So let's try putting it in. I'm not going to put it on its wheels because I'm afraid that it might break when I hit any bumps on the road. So I'm just going to put it upside down on the wings, so it will be much safer that way, and it fits perfectly nice. So let's go. No. So we have reached at our runway right there. This is the recreational airfield, and right there is the runway. So we are going to test our plane there and see real airplane also. Place is locked, so we cannot try here. See, there's a lock over there. So we need to go to some other place. Let's go. Let's try another place. So now we are almost in the jungle. See, right there is a field which is for RC flying. So we are going to go there and try it away from populated areas. Are these tigers? Looks like tiger's footprint. Anyways, let's go. Bora, there's a clean space we can try there. Okay, so first thing is we need to install the battery. I had kept it separately because I don't want to drain the battery while we were coming here. So now we have to connect it. One bad thing is that I kept the connection wires too small inside the plane, so it's quite a bit tricky to install the battery, but right there it is. I just have to put it in socket and hear that beeping sound. That means the battery is connected. So now I have made the battery in such a way that I have pasted a velcro on the battery, and inside the plane you can see it in my previous video. I made it in such a way that now I can place the battery to to maintain the center of gravity of the plane. So basically what I need to do is I need to move the battery front or aft based on the where the center of gravity is, and then around 5 centimeters behind the plane's leading edge I will check if the plane is balanced or not. So the center of gravity can be a little bit towards the forward. That means the plane can be nose heavy, but it cannot be tail heavy. So that's why I'm moving the battery a little bit forward each time, and finally I'm balancing the plane at that around 5 centimeters from the leading edge of the plane. This is how it is supposed to be done. The plane cannot be tail heavy because otherwise it will not it will just crash. It can be nose heavy a bit, so that's how I'm doing it. And now I have turned on the lights as well, so it's sorted. And now we can close the bonnet, the front cowl, and go on to testing it. Let's see if it flies or not. Okay, ho gaya kaam? Done. Dekh jaya. And here is our transmitter. Let's turn it on. So when it is connected, you will see a TX and RX sign right there. So basically it is connected to the airplane. Now let's keep it on a clean place before we start to take off. Let's do some pre-flight checks now. It also shows the battery is full. Now this is the propeller. ये है throttle, दोनों चीज दिखाएंगे. Throttle है, ठीक है, और इससे rudder. This one on the right, you have your elevators and your ailerons. So that's all the controls. A quick look around of the plane. So everything, the pre-flight checks are good, and now we can start flying it. Fingers crossed. Ready to take off. ठीक है.
All set?
All set.
Up
Good to
chal.
go. हाँ.
So this was our first attempt, and the plane did move on its own power, but it never flew because I guess this was
साला चलता ही
because
जा रहा है.
there was too much resistance from the sand. So let's try a harder
Put it
surface.
down.
And ready for round two.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Start कर दे.
वीडियो चल रही है भाई, कंटिन्यू. डन है, डन है.
I think so. Fuck. Why you need to change?
So this time, the front wheel was not aligned properly, so it went all the way to the left. So now I fixed the front wheel a bit more properly. They are very delicate, and now I'm changing the propeller because this propeller got sanded from the it scraped with the road and it became a bit shorter. So I'm installing a new propeller, and let's try one more time.
Focus.
Going where? Going where? Hey. Hello, bro.
Fly. Fucker, not flying.
Hey, jump. Bro.
Hey, for attempt.
Oh, mission failed. Our warrior is coming back. अबे ओ साले तोड़ दिया तूने पूरा. पूरा तोड़ दिया तूने तो.
भाई उड़ते रहा था.
उड़ तो घंटा उड़ रहा था साले. पूरा तोड़ दिया साले तूने तो.
And it is not getting gaining enough speed on the ground, so in my desperate attempts to make it fly I broke it completely. So now the motor mount is broken, so I'll have to fix it and maybe try one more time.
ये लो.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
ओ भाई अब बढ़ जाते चल रहा है. ये बोनेट खोल के उड़ाऊं क्या?
हाँ, बोनट खोल के उड़ाओ.
फुल स्पीड.
ओके, डन.
वाइब्रेशन.
टूट गया भाई अंदर से कुछ.
पता है इसका मोटर माउंट टूट गया लेकिन रेडी तो.
हाँ, रेडी रेडी रेडी.
उड़ तो रहा थोड़ा थोड़ा.
उड़ तो रहा थोड़ा थोड़ा. नहीं फेंकना हो तो यही घास में फेंकेगा तो टूटेगा नहीं भाई.
दियो एक बार. उसके बिना वीडियो.
ये लो हमारा वॉरियर. ये डला हमारा वॉरियर.
एनसीयू क्रैश हो गया भाई.
क्रैश. प्लेन हैज बीन क्रैश्ड. ये लो वॉरियर.
टूट गया. ये देख 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 वाइब्रेशन देख.
ओ भाई.
ओ भाई साहब मोटर.
सो पिटी.
नो पिटी. नेक्स्ट संडे. मोटर निकल के आ गई बाहर भाई. शिट.
So the airplane didn't fly and it crashed, so I had to break it apart. So this is the condition right now. I've kept the back as is and removed everything else, and there's the wing. The wing is okay, but I need to redo everything. So now I have to cut the front pieces one more time and then attach them back to the airplane. So basically we'll have a new body in the front, and this is how I'm going to attach it. This is a carpenter's joint, what they use to join wood, right? The same way I'm going to join it using super glue. So that's there. The front body will be completely new, and eventually I'll tape it and make it back as it was earlier. By the way, What I'm following here is I'm trying to make a plane which I usually fly in real life as well. That is my November Charlie uniform. This is the plane in which I learned flying also. So I was trying to replicate the same airplane right there. And luckily, in this case, our wings were not damaged or anything. So I just have to make the front body and then just place the old wings on it, and we'll be good to go. This time, in the electronics also, I had to make a few changes. I had to upgrade my motor, and that's what is the main component, the main thrust producer. And hopefully, after this is done, it will fly. And finally, the taping for the color and details, just to make it as it was back to normal. So look at this. Since last time I tried flying it, but it was too heavy for the motor, it broke, so I had to order some new parts, and let me show you what I ordered. So this is the motor that we used earlier. This one is a 1000 kilowatt A2212 motor, and then now I ordered a bigger version of it, which is A2217, and it is 1100 kilowatts. This is one, so it has a higher rpm. And then the propeller also, last time we had 8-inch propeller, now we have 9-inch, bigger one, bigger propeller. Then the battery, this is 2s battery, which was like 7.5 volts, and now we have new battery which is around 11.5 volts. So basically this is everything I have. Now we have a bigger setup for this airplane, and hopefully this time it will fly. We have the complete new body as well, because last time, as you saw, everything was completely broken, so we had to replace it. The wing is just right there. Thankfully this was okay, but I still need to salvage the ailerons, and then it will be fine. So hopefully uh, I can complete this today, and then maybe we'll go for another test, and hopefully this will fly again this time. I mean, not, I cannot say again because it didn't fly last time, but yeah, hopefully this time it will fly. So let's finish it, and then we will see how this is the progress. For now, just need to connect the propeller and the wing, and we should be done. And here I am connecting the new motor. So I had to create a new motor mount, and this motor is, as I said, is more powerful, so I'm like 100% confident it will make it go. So yeah, new motor mount, new motor, new propeller, everything connecting, and then just back to the plane. So here our new propeller is ready. This is the platform. I can just place it on the plane like this. Hey guys, as you saw, my first attempt to flying it failed, but this is our second attempt. I have completely renewed it. Has new propeller, new motor, new battery. Let's see, hopefully it flies today. Let's go.
आगे वाला चला चल गो रेडी टू गो
थोड़ा सेंटर में उड़ जाइए भाई प्लीज।
सीधा रख टेढ़ा है सीधा रख टेढ़ा है एरोप्लेन टेढ़ा है ओके
So as you saw, this was the first time my plane flew on its own power. So it did fly, but I got too excited and I didn't worry about other controls. So it spun and crashed. And unfortunately, after that, I had to move out of Malaysia. And this big plane, I could not take it internationally. So I had to scrap it, but I did take out all the major components, and then I will build it one more time. And yeah, luckily it did fly once. See you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.